My name is Ivan. I've been at Aidacare now for 17 years, and 10 years of that has been as a commercial manager, working for a lot of hospital groups, aged care groups and community groups where they need a lot of larger pieces of equipment delivered on site and set up.
My name is David Sadler. I am the General Manager of Peter Sadler Removals and Logistics. Our biggest point of differentiation as a business, we choose to do the work that we think others won't or others can't do. So I often say we're less a trucking business and we're more a people business. If you're moving 300 kilo beds, delivery in full and on time, often urgent in the medical space, then you need the right sort of people.
Having a partner, a logistics partner, which understands the equipment that we are delivering is quite large, 300 kilos plus, and understanding the legalities of how to get that product on site is essential. Knowing that we don't have to worry about that type of thing. It's looked after correctly, legally, ethically. It's all done right the first time.
Part of being involved with customers that have unique needs, such as Aidacare, means that we have to customise our solution. It's simple as that. We differentiate via the customer service and the capability of the people that go out on the job. You're dealing with things that are more than 100 kilos and above. It's not going to be one size fits all.
Having an agile partner, such as Peter Sadler Logistics, has given us the confidence to go out there and target new contracts. And knowing that as those contracts have come into place, some quite quickly, you've been able to scale for us quickly as well. So having that confidence to win the contracts has been essential.
Lastly, I'd really like to thank all of the stakeholders at Aidacare for putting their faith in Peter Sadler to help them grow. I think it's a wonderful relationship. I think it'll be an ongoing relationship for a really long period of time, and I'm really proud of what our business has been able to deliver to Aidacare, and proud of the fact that Aidacare can go out and grow as they have done with the confidence they have.